A tree crashes through your house. Who pays for it? You, your neighbor, or your insurance company? The answer to that question is going to really depend on the circumstances. Most trees will fall because of a storm. If that's the case, your insurance company will probably pay for it. The only times that really won't happen and your insurance company really won't owe will be when that tree just kind of falls on its own. How could a tree just fall on its own? It probably doesn't, but there are some things that lead to that. Is that tree rotted? Was that tree dead? Did nothing really get that tree? Did someone push that tree? Did someone try to cut down that tree and it went severely, severely wrong? So you have to have this whole analysis that frankly is a bit of a pain if that tree falls for any reason other than a storm such as a wind gust or a hurricane or even just a bad windstorm. If the tree falls on its own and it's the neighbor's tree, then you have to look at whether your neighbor knew or should have known that that tree was dead and was gonna fall on your roof. If that's the case, you can look to them or maybe even their insurance for that tree. But if it was just a dead tree on your property that you didn't take care of, you might have a really big problem. You can still make the claim with your insurance company, but don't be shocked if they say that it's not a covered loss. So when a tree crashes through your roof, you have to look at why that tree crashed through your roof. And if you can't figure it out, there are arborists that will help you do this. And if your insurance company should pay, but they're refusing to pay, that's when you get a lawyer involved. Same thing with your neighbors. If your neighbors should pay, but they're pay, that is the time to get a lawyer. But don't wait on those because that evidence goes away really quickly, and often you want to strike while the iron's hot. Want to learn more? Subscribe for weekly claim tips, or go to InsuranceClaimHQ.com. Protect yourself. If you're having a problem, call us now.